Okay, we're going to look at what I think is a JR50 Suzuki little kids motorcycle, but I'm not sure. It may be a PW, or it's really hard to tell from the picture. It may be just a pink piece of junk, but we're gonna find out.
I can't sleep tonight, staring out the window. A bright light city fired up, no woman and she no cry. Where she going now? Never know, never ask why. Simple reveries over memories. You and me never meant to be. I better let it be, let's let it be. Close your eyes with the river on the eye. Is it any wonder? The current pulls us under. No sleep for the waking up. And no sleep No sleep, no sleep for the waking up. And no sleep No sleep for the waking up. And no sleep No sleep for the waking up. And no sleep
Okay, we got the carb clean. Let's see if she wants to start for us.
current pulls us under. No sleep for the waking up. And 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 no sleep.
This project turned out really good. All we needed to do was clean the carburetor, motor fire right up. It sounds great, seems to run really good. We did our special 3D printed air cleaner. This is the stock part. Now, usually there's another piece that goes on here and houses the air filter foam, but that's missing. So we 3D printed a piece, a little puck. This unscrews out of the middle, cut a little circle of foam, sandwich it in there, and you're back on the road. But I don't have a foam right now, so let's go out to the boneyard and see if we can find something.
No sleep for the waking up. And no sleep for the waking up. And no sleep.
Side note, if you are on the fence about buying a 3D printer, just go do it. It is the best $200 investment you can ever make. Check out this chain block I just made for an XR100. Super cool part, very useful. It's the wave of the future. This bike has two positions for the rear shocks. You can raise and lower it about 1.5 inches. And on top of that, you have the seat adjustment that gives you another inch. So you have about 2.5 inches of adjustable range. The front brake lever has an adjustment so you can crank it in towards the handlebar for those tiny little hands to be able to reach it. And last but not least, it has a shifter, which I'm super stoked about because you're teaching kids how to ride motorcycles, not bicycles. It's neutral up, first gear is down, so it doesn't do much, but I think that's really handy for teaching these kids how to ride.
I keep on counting sheep. Days into nights into weeks. Out of sight, out of mind, never mind. Hide and seek, play with me, or better we could roll the dice. Tell me of the very lies. Or maybe save it for another time. I keep running up the same time.
Well, that about sums it up for the JR50. Going back to the Sears Sabre that I did a couple weeks ago, Bikes and Beer was a huge success. Everybody loved the bike. People couldn't stop looking at the rusty gas tank, and we will definitely take another bike there.
No sleep for the waking up. And no sleep